Hi, Malcolm Sheridan here. I thought some small screencasts that accompany some of the articles I write might be helpful for you guys, the readers, helping you understand what I'm trying to do in these articles. This particular article that you're reading now is how to hijack an ASP.NET MVC form post using jQuery. This is needed in some scenarios where you want to post data asynchronously without doing a full page refresh. So if we just take a look at the screen, we've got two pages. One is a normal form post, which is stated by the text here. And if we click into the hijacking form post, we'll see we've got another form, exactly the same form, but it does a hijacking operation of the form. So just to see the difference in the two forms, go back on the home view, put in some sample data. Now when I click on submit, this will actually do a HTTP form post, and the action is going to return a string. So as expected, it's on a full page refresh, return the string, data posted, so I know the data has been posted successfully. What if I wanted that string returned to the page, just to give some visual feedback to the user? Well, one really simple way to do that is to hijack the form using jQuery. So if I click into the hijacking form post, exactly the same form, put in exactly the same data, but you'll see the results are a little bit different. Click on submit. Now I get visual feedback straight away saying that the data has been posted successfully. So what's the difference between the two forms? Well, if I go back into Visual Studio, I'll click on the index page first. Nothing special about this page, just using a normal using HTML begin form, using a HTML anti-forgery token which guards against CSRF attacks. Got a couple of labels here, some text boxes, and a submit button. So this is the page that's doing the form post, but doing a full page refresh. If I go back into the hijack page, however, the form is exactly the same. As you can see, we've got a big begin form, anti-forgery token, but the real magic happens up in here. So when the page loads, I'm hooking and I'm looking for the particular form on the page. In this particular example, we've only got one form, so I'm just not searching by name, I'm searching by the element. I'm attaching an event handler to the submit event. Now, when the form is submitted, I'm doing Ajax post. Now, it's posting to the form's action. I'm retrieving the action via the action attribute in the form, serializing all the data, and after the form is posted, I'm putting the string result into a div tag called result. Now, if we scroll down here, that's the div tag that's displaying the data posted. Now, in order to stop the form being submitted with a full page refresh, I'm having to use prevent default. Now, prevent default does exactly what it says, prevents the default event of the event, and the event is E. Now that E is being passed in via the submit function. So if we go back into the page now to show you the differences again, type in sample again, submitting the form, posting the form, full page refresh. But if you want to hijack the form, use jQuery. This has been really helpful to me personally in some projects that I've worked on. Personally, I think it's a little bit better than doing a full page refresh. It gives the user some visual feedback. Plus, we're using Ajax, keep the user on the page, keeps the user happy. Anyway, I'm Malcolm Sheridan. Thanks for watching.